everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair butter that can help boost hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this hair butter is going to be 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil works for all hair types. It will moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp, supplying valuable nutrients to your hair follicles, as well as prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. The second ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 tablespoon of black seed oil. Black seed helps to boost hair growth and slow down the aging process of cells, thus preventing hair thinning. It reduces hair fall due to inflammation of hair follicles. Also, black seed regulates imbalanced hair growth cycle and activates the hair follicles. It nourishes your hair, increases its shine, and eliminates scalp dryness. Also, black seed can help improve the volume and texture of your hair and stop hair loss with continued use. The third ingredient is going to be 4 capsules of biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, stimulates keratin production in hair and can increase the rate of follicle growth. Also, biotin is known to prevent hair thinning as well as hair loss, and also aids in the regrowth of hair. And the last ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of melted shea butter. Shea butter helps to rejuvenate hair follicles, providing a better environment for healthy hair growth. Also, shea butter helps to reduce hair breakage, split ends, and improve the shine and bounce of your hair. So now I'm just going to take all my ingredients and place them into a bowl.
That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good.
When it comes to the biotin capsules, all I did was take a safety pin and I poked a hole in the capsules so that way I can squeeze out the biotin from the capsule.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my.
After I've added all my ingredients into the bowl, I'm just going to take my electric hand mixer and I'm just going to make sure that all the ingredients are blended well. Then I'm going to take my butter mix and place it into the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes so that way the butter can start to firm. And then after about 45 minutes, I removed the butter from the refrigerator, and now I'm just going to use my hand mixer to get the butter to a whipped like consistency.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
After I'm done whipping the butter, I'm just going to place it into a jar. I like to keep my butter still like on the liquid side just because it's easier to place it into the jar. But after a couple of hours, the butter will become solid. When it comes to the application of this hair butter, you can apply it directly to your scalp as well as onto your hair. You can use this butter 2 to 3 times a week. Also, the shelf life of this butter is about 8 to 12 months. Make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. The ingredients found in this video can be found in my Creole Lily hair care products. The ingredients as well as the products that contain these ingredients can be found on the screen. If you are interested and would like to learn more about these products, you can go ahead and head over to my website, creolelily.com, for more details. Also, if you want to see how I use these products in my hair, head over to my playlist titled My Hair Routine.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!